Hey there. Today I'm diving into the world of lean manufacturing and revealing some secrets to boost your production efficiency. Lean manufacturing isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer for your business. At its core, lean manufacturing is all about maximizing value while minimizing waste. Sounds simple, right? But trust me, there's a whole lot more to it. First off, let's talk about the principle of Kaizen. This Japanese term means continuous improvement. It's not just a one-time fix, it's an ongoing process. Every small improvement adds up, leading to significant gains over time. Encourage your team to identify and eliminate inefficiencies regularly. Next, we've got the concept of just-in-time production. Imagine having exactly what you need, exactly when you need it. No more, no less. This reduces inventory costs and ensures you're not wasting resources on storing excess materials. It's like having a well-oiled machine that only runs when necessary. Another key element is value stream mapping. This is your blueprint for identifying bottlenecks and areas of waste in your processes. By mapping out every step, you can visualize where improvements are needed. Trust me, once you see it on paper, the changes you need to make become crystal clear. Now let's talk about the R5SI methodology. Sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. These 5 steps help you maintain an organized and efficient workspace. An organized environment not only boosts productivity, but also enhances safety. You'll be amazed at how much easier it is to maintain high standards when everything has its place. Finally, don't underestimate the power of your team. Lean manufacturing thrives on collaboration and communication. Create a culture where everyone feels empowered to suggest improvements. When your team is engaged, they're more likely to take ownership of their work and strive for excellence. So there you have it. Unlocking the secrets of lean manufacturing isn't about big sweeping changes. It's about small, consistent improvements that add up over time. Start implementing these principles today and watch your production efficiency soar. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into manufacturing success. See you next time.